Hey everyone, if you want to automate messages and connect apps to your Discord server using webhooks in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Discord webhooks in an advanced way. First, understand that Discord webhooks allow external applications to send messages directly into your server. This means you don't always need a full bot for simple automation. Next, go to your channel settings, open integrations, and click Create Webhook. This is where you set everything up. Now customize your webhook by giving it a name and avatar. This is how messages will appear in your Discord channel. After that, copy the webhook URL. This URL connects external tools or websites to your Discord server. Now test your webhook by sending a message using a tool or script. If it works, you'll see the message instantly in your channel. You can also connect webhooks to websites, forms, or automation tools. This is useful for alerts, notifications, and updates. Finally, keep your webhook URL secure. Never share it publicly because anyone can send messages using it. So yeah, that's how you use Discord webhooks in an advanced way in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can fully automate your server messages. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone.